This is a follow-up and conclusion to a sad, tragic, totally avoidable situation that happened last May in 2021 in Tampa, Florida. Many of you may remember it. A employee at a Dunkin Donuts got offended that this grumpy old 77-year-old man running at the mouth, using the N-word, talking smack, and the employee hit him, and the old man fell down and unfortunately died. So the conclusion to that story is that that employee has taken a plea deal, and fortunately he's not going to do any type of serious prison time. He's just going to spend 2 years on house arrest and then a number of years on probation. Tragic situation that absolutely could have been totally avoided. I'll have a link to the original stories and all that, and the follow-up down below. However, again, this really strongly emphasizes and highlights a point I make in all my classes. Folks, when you allow yourself to get offended, impatient, frustrated, you run the risk of dramatically increasing the likelihood that you're going to be the one that does or says something that escalates the situation. And in this case, this old man, 77-year-old grumpy old man, is a known regular customer and known to be disrespectful, loud and rude and obnoxious. Why and how did this employee on this particular day let it get to him? Take the slow, deep breath, let the old man rant and rave, talking smack, give him his free cup of coffee or whatever, and just let him be on his way. But folks, when you allow yourself to get upset, frustrated, impatient, you run the risk of saying and doing things that will escalate the situation. And now, tragically, a young man who never had any type of run-ins with the law or anything like that now has it on his record. And this grumpy old man with a history of prison time and stuff like that, inadvertently a victim of a homicide. Folks, take a deep breath, stay calm, keep yourself calm. There is no law, rule, or regulation that says that you will and you must engage or deal with someone who's being loud, rude, obnoxious, and in your face even. And lately, over the last 2 years, we run in and we're very well aware of people being easily offended over the stupidest things. Ignore them. Go on with your life and ignore them. Would we be here today if this young man had just ignored this man like he had done 100 times before? We'll see you on the next video.